Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be unboxing the summer 2020 FabFitFun box. So I'll pull it up if it can even fit in the camera. But it won't even fit the whole box. So it's gonna be on the floor. It's a heavy one. This month I think I did quite a few add-ons just because there was some great stuff. So I'm gonna open this box right up. So FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box that is lifestyle items. There's some makeup, some other stuff you get to choose depending on what level of subscription you have. So like if you have the yearly, you pay each box, you have a different amount of items you get to customize and choose. So first are the add-ons. So they also have add-ons where it's just a whole bunch of products that are cheaper than the price. So the first thing is these waxing beads that I got. I love these. Got the rose gold ones that smell like chocolate. Let's see if these ones have a scent to them. Oh, they smell like pineapple. These are like gold and it smells like a pineapple. It has a little pineapple on top. Oh my god, it smells so good. And then I have one of these, but it comes with this warmer. It kind of looks like those silicone reusable wine glasses, but comes like this. Ooh, this one's way nicer than the old one. The old one was like flat. This one's an angle, so this is really nice. And you just microwave it in the microwave. Put the little beads in it and microwave it and stir it. But that is nice and I'm excited. So now I have a chocolate one and a pineapple. Mix them together and have a chocolate pineapple. Amazing. Okay. So next is these little stacky basket things just to put some stuff in. These are from Summer in Rose, so look like this flat, but I'll pull one of them apart or open one of them so you can see. So these were an add-on, like I said. A little string. If I pull too much, I'm gonna pull apart the thing. Okay. But they're just like these cute little like bins things. So this is the small size, so there's 3 different sizes that I thought would be like cute to put like decor in. So there's those. I think there's my only 2 add-on maybe. I know they have said they're gonna start putting some of your add-ons inside the like actual box, so I'm guessing, they said depending on size, so I'm guessing the rest of my add-ons are in the big other box. Let me pull it out. Oh my goodness. This box is huge. Oh, nope, there's more. Okay, so more add-ons. They were like hidden under. Ooh, this is cute. So this is just a little necklace. You can pull it out. It's this cute little necklace. It's like the tiniest little key that is so cute. And it says believe on it. It's a really cute necklace and it's adjustable, so it has these different rings so you can make it like tight like a choker or loose. But that is very, very pretty. So I think that was an additional customization that you could do. So some of it you can pick more items, you just pay a little fee. Next is the Beach Mist, the Lifestyle Company. So Botanical After Sun Spray. So this is shake gently before use and spray on the face or desired area of body. So I think this is supposed to help like if you get sunburn or anything. So I thought this was a good thing with summer coming up to get. Next up I got another one of these. I love this and it's so affordable to get. It's like $10. Another Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. So this is the best spray. It smells so good. I blow dried my hair today. So when your hair is wet and you spray this on, and it's a heat protectant for blow drying your hair. So I use it every time I blow dry my hair when it's wet. So this is great for that. Just a little extra product. Next up, this was like an additional thing you could add on after the customization, I think, this month. So this is the Hangover Good in Bed Ultra Replenishing Hydrating Serum. It's just this nice little serum. Doesn't really have scent, but it has hyaluronic acid, coconut water, dragon fruit, and vitamin B5. So a moisturizer. I love stuff that has hyaluronic acid, and I love coconut scents. And then the Prime Set Refresh Hangover 3-in-1 Setting Spray. This is nice. We'll see. Kind of looks like it's a little hairspray container. Let's see. Get the mister's kind of, oh, it smells like coconut. I like that. But it's a little out there, so just hold it pretty far away. But it smells like the beach. Like, kind of smells like a pina colada. It's lovely. Okay, so those are all of my add-on or extra customization items that I did. So now we will open the box. So here is the summer, I almost said spring, FabFitFun box. So I'm gonna open it and then set it on the floor so that I can just pull stuff out of it because I have a little space. You saw my vanity like room set up, so I use my vanity as like my filming station. So you know how little space I have. I'll link that video if you are curious. So this month's cover model in the magazine is Gabby Douglas. So she is an Olympic gymnast. So that is cool. Then we'll just jump right into the box and see some of the items. I'm just gonna grab a few. Okay, so the first item is called Black Eye Mask and plus hyaluronic acid. So there are those little under eye masks that you put on your eyes. Ooh, so this is the Isaac Mizrahi ceramic decorating vase. I think I'm gonna keep this box. But I just want to show you what it looks like. Ooh, that's really cute. It's got like this paint, like a shiny, and then it's like a matte below. That is so cute. Nice little vase with flowers. I probably put fake flowers in. I don't like dealing with weird flowers. They last a few days and then they're dead. Okay. So many little products in this month. Got a little handful of stuff. So the next item is the Spongella hand cream. Ooh, coconut verbena. I love coconut. A little sticker on it. Oh, that smells so good. Let's put a little lotion. My hands have been really dry because we've been doing tile work at my house. So they've been super dry. Ooh, oh, it smells good. I like that. Okay, next is a black, oh, so matches with those little eye masks. So this is like a face mask. Put on, these are like the little eye patches. So that's good. Ooh, a foot cream. Ooh, blood orange scent. Ooh, that smells good. So many different scents going on, but it's a nice little foot cream. That's nice. I haven't gotten a pedicure in a while. Next is Winky Lux. This is an eyebrow pencil. So So one side, oh, it reminds me of the ABH one that's the more triangle looking. And this says it's a universal brow. And the spoolie. So let's check out the shade. Kind of have to work it to get any. So that's the shade. I guess it will work from my brows. So that's a cool little product. So I think these are the last two items. So this is, ooh, this is one of the ones I picked. The items I picked, I should say. It's like this small little like lunchbox carry bag. So cute. This would be really nice for like a potluck too, if you have like a small cold dish you wanted to bring. Nice little personal lunch box. It's so cute. It's actually pretty good size inside, but you could fit some good stuff. I like it, and it's a very cute, summery, yellowy color, and this is Business and Pleasure brand. And last but not least, this was another item I chose, is the Draper James bag. So this is Reese Witherspoon's brand, and it's got this little scarf that you can take off. And it's just this nice little summery like beach bag you can take. I don't think it's waterproof, but like nice little summer bag. So yeah, that's everything that was in my summer FabFitFun box. I hope you enjoyed all of the stuff in the box, the add-ons, the extra customization items I did. If you want to check out FabFitFun, I will leave a link down in the description box for you. It will give you, I think, $20 off first box. So it's a, I think, $50 subscription box. Might be $60, but it's not bad for the amount of products you can get. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click the bell right down below, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.